Alright, good morning guys, again. This is your video explaining how to get an Achieve. It is important that you become familiar with Achieve because we will be using it every week. And it does count for a grade. So, and they have some good stuff on there. Okay, so when you're in Canvas and you have your home page open, I have moved the Clever button. I thought I did. Okay. So it will be right in between your assignments and discussions. Okay. So you don't have to go all the way to the bottom. It should be right here. However, because I think I pulled up the wrong page. So it is down here at the bottom. Okay. And you're going to click on it. Okay, it's going to give you this open and new tab. Cross your fingers, hold your breath. Let's see if it works. Good sign. Alright, so your Clever is going to open. Each of my classes has their own Clever page. Okay, so if you click on your ELA and Clever, it will bring up the things that we use most in Clever. So right now I believe you only have Achieve and Hangouts. Okay, so when you go to open your Achieve, okay, this is very important. I'm sure that you had to deal with this last year if you were with us. Okay, so let me open my Achieve. Maybe. Maybe not. How about I just search for Achieve? You always do this too. Okay, there it is, Achieve. It's going to open my Achieve, which is not your Achieve. So the important thing here is to make sure that you go into my class. Okay, when you click this down arrow, it's going to list all your classes that use Achieve. So social studies, science. You need to make sure that you're in mine. Okay, because mine has specific assignments I will assign to your class, and if you open another teacher's and do the assignment, it goes under her or his grades. Okay, so very important, make sure you're in my Achieve. When you hit login, the first thing it's going to do, like it does every year, is make you take that beginning pre-test. Okay, it measures where you're at in Achieve. So your reading level, your grade level, your vocabulary, all those things. Now, if you really want to, okay, I don't suggest this, you click through your answers. Okay, that doesn't help you, doesn't help me. Okay, so think about your why. Why are you in class? Are you there to waste time? Okay, or are you there to try and get at least a little bit? So when you answer those questions, I know that they seem unending, that they're probably boring. A lot of them you may not know the answers to, and it's frustrating. Okay, but I just need you to keep putting your best foot forward and get through those questions. Usually there's no more than 30. Okay, so however, try not to spend a long time on this. Okay, because I need you to finish so you can do other things in class. If you do not finish in class today, you need to finish it at home. Okay, so go ahead and log in, do your level set.